everybody, welcome back to more Resident Evil 8. We're Chris Redfield now. I don't know why my voice sounded like that. I was just cracking up over... Ah!
Watch out.
I have a little bit of a cold, so that might be why my voice sounds funny. Hit him! God, Chris. Dumb bitch. Fix your aim in this game.
Roger that.
I get tired of aiming at one thing and then you fucking moving it over. It's a pain in the ass. I don't like it. I don't think I can pick anything up with Chris, can I? Oh my god. He has all kinds of cool shit.
BSAA craft spotted. 2 guards. I can take them.
Don't get cocky.
Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Can I open this bathroom? Should have just punched it, Chris. Punch the shit out of it.
That thing. It's all new to my seat.
That's probably what it is.
God.
Let's go.
More hentai trees. Oh my god.
The mold may be releasing infectious particulates. Keep your masks on.
Holy shit and a half. Did I kill the other one already? I don't even know. I'm so scared. I don't like this. Oh, the trees are going to put their branches in my butt, and it's going to be like Resident Evil, Evil Dead.
Groovy.
Where that poor lady got tree touched.
Leaving some supplies in one of the houses, Captain. Help yourself.
Wait, what is some of this? Oh, it's just a lot of it. What is this? Med injector. That's what those are. So if I get hurt, I can... Oh my god, him flipping on the goggles scared the shit out of me. I'm gonna fucking pee. Now I burped. Oh, I don't like that. Every time he flips those down, it scares the piss out of me. Those rats? They're like little chicken fuckers. Not things that fuck chickens, but like little chickens that are fuckers.
Summarize, I need some backup.
I see you. 200 to the point.
Oh my god. Where am I even going? What am I doing? Why am I like this? Ah!
Never heard of a mutomycete colony growing so huge.
Fuck you, buddy. Shoot arrows at me. Reload! Oh my fucking god.
Hey, I get eyes on you.
Ah! Holy doo-doo butter. So many of them! Eat it! Holy shit balloons. What? Ah! Ah! Oh my god, I didn't even see that dude that had just aimed me at.
My mom saw this shit. She thinks she died and gone to hell.
I've reached the target
feel like I've died and gone to hell.
All right, Lobo. Marking the target.
Roger that, boss.
Am I doing it? Am I doing it?
Reloading now. Just a minute. There's a swarm headed that way.
Get off me, bitch! Oh, fucking hell, Chris.
Okay, Captain. I'm reloading. Ready to move it.
Oh, come on! God damn.
It's rapidly expanding. Must be something stimulating you.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die doing that shit.
PSA, guys, engaging the bioweapons. You're right, Captain. They must be after the IC2.
Give me the thingy!
How many are there? Everyone okay?
They're coming from the mold.
Margaret, 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 Margaret.
Another hit.
Give me a break.
Looks like it's about to collapse. Hold your horses. I'm reloading. Is that launcher equipment?
Throw the grenade! Oh my god, reload, reload, reload! Holy shit and a half!
I'm reloaded. Where should I go next?
Reload, Chris, reload!
Damn it, these things are using weapons.
Sure they're thinking the same about you. Bioweapon numbers are increasing. We need to finish them off quick.
Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit! Let's go! Woohoo!
Take that!
Good. Megamycete must be below.
Get forked in the ass. Dildos. It's not the way to go. Ooh. I need this.
Captain, the Megamycete is underground.
I'm on my way.
Pick up some ammo, you fucking wieners. I don't know why I did that. There was no need for that.
I found a way down. I'm going in. The rest of you stay back.
Captain, I compared the mold at the village with a sample from the bakers, and there's no sign of the genome editing we saw in the E-series. The stuff originated.
I'm gonna use that. Put some steroids in good old Chris Redfield. That's why he's so pumped and jacked and hot and sexy and shit. Oh, I hear one of them.
Guarding the Megamycete, huh? Lobo, I got a tough guy here.
Ow!
I need backup.
Boss, you're on the ground.
There's an opening in the roof. Use it.
Okay, I'm moving out. Hold on till I get there.
Ow! I thought I killed this bastard before. That. Oh my god, would you fucking die, you big bitch? Huh? No, stop it! Reload the gun, Chris! Reload the fucking gun!
Good. I'll signal with the locator.
Give the guy a break.
I didn't do that right.
Reloading now. Just a minute.
Ah! Stop it, no! Oh my god. Ow! Like... Shit balls. Stop it. Oh my god, why is he up again already? Oh my god, what am I doing wrong here?
Hostile bioweapon eliminated. I'll keep going. The rest of you, stay above ground.
Okay, so I didn't need their help with this? That seems dumb. I must have done something wrong, but I win, I guess, so good for me.
So if Miranda was the fake Mia, where's the real one?
I doubt she saw any further use for her. I don't get any of this. How did Miranda even know Rose exists?
A moldy little bird told her, maybe?
We can figure that out later. Focus on the plan.
This is a good question. What the hell happened to Mia?
Found it. It's the megamycete.
Look at that handsome son of a bitch. Holy shit and a half.
Alpha to squad.
Just want
I've located the
to kissful
megamycete.
fucking lips, too.
So now we can end this mess after all.
About damn time.
Nice throw.
And 2 explosives armed. There's enough there to blow the whole village sky high.
Let's get out of here and blow the damn place.
Not before I end Miranda. I'm not taking any more chances. I'm going in.
Roger that. Standing by.
Let's fucking go.
Captain, I have eyes on Miranda at the ceremony site.
Keep your distance. Do not move until I give the order.
I know it's too late now, but we really should have told Ethan the plan.
There wasn't time. We didn't expect Miranda to act so soon.
Even so, you should have told him.
Yeah,
Yeah, Chris, you dumb bitch. You hot, dumb bitch.
this must be Miranda's lab.
Kadoo.
So they're using...
I'm not reading that.
this to control the bioweapons.
I guess there's information in all those books. Too bad I can't read. What the fuck is that?
Spencer, here. No way.
Is that Evelyn? A little... Whoop. I pressed the wrong button. Oh. Oh. Who the fuck is this supposed to be? Who was that? Oh well. I shouldn't have used that gun to do that. It seems like overkill. What?
Show me your hands! Bryce, this is Alpha. Where is Miranda right now?
Still at the ceremony site. Whatever she's doing, she's staying put.
God damn. It really is you.
Mia!
Save me. Why are you here?
I was caught. Used in experiments.
Wait, did you say Mia? Mia Winters?
In the flesh. What's the situation up there?
Kind of a war going on. Nothing we can't handle.
Don't get distracted. Stick to the mission. I'm headed to the ceremony site.
Wait! You can't leave me here. You promised, damn it! You said that you would keep us safe. We did everything that you asked. We moved over here, everything! And I didn't care. So long as we were together. So you tell me, where is my husband? Where is my daughter?
Ethan is gone. I couldn't save him, but I can save Rose. Come on. It's not safe here after all.
What do you mean he's gone?
He's dead. I'm sorry, Mia, but we have to leave. We have to destroy this village.
No! You're wrong. I tried to keep this a secret, but... you don't understand how special he is.
What? What? It's Chris. So handsome. So handsome. Now what the fuck is going on? What? Ethan's heart's completely gone. How the fuck's he doing this? His hand's back.
Someone there? It's cold.
We'll find out who was there in the next video. Oh man, this is going to make somebody mad, I hope. I mean, I hope it doesn't make you mad. I hope you come back and watch the next episode, because that's a cliffhanger right there. And, you know, if you like this episode, leave a like down below here. If you hated it, leave a dislike, as always. Please leave comments about how much you hate me, or you love me, or you think I'm handsome, or you think Chris is handsome, and how we all want to smooch Chris. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye-bye.